In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides play automatically. Imagine you're setting up a presentation that needs to run on its own. Or perhaps you're preparing an informative kiosk display that will cycle through slides seamlessly. Whatever your purpose, using the Auto Advance feature in Google Slides can make your presentations more dynamic and effortless. Let's start by opening your Google Slides presentation. Ensure that you've already set up your slides in the desired order, tweaked the content, and finalized your designs, so everything looks great. Once your presentation is ready, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Slideshow button and give it a click. This will take you into the slideshow mode, where your slides appear on screen, just as your audience will see them. Next, here's where we dive into the magic that allows your slides to advance automatically. In the slideshow mode, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll spot a three-dot menu icon, a small but powerful tool, so click it. This opens up a selection of settings tailored to enhance your presentation experience. From this menu, there's an option labeled Autoplay. Once you click on Autoplay, you'll be presented with various time interval choices. You can decide how long each slide should linger before moving forward. Ponder the amount of time your audience needs to absorb each slide. For visual-heavy slides, longer times might be needed. For text-light slides, a quicker pace may suit better. Adding a thoughtful touch to your presentation, consider enabling the loop option. If you'd like your presentation to repeat itself continuously, which is especially handy for exhibitions or trade shows, you'll find a loop checkbox within the same autoplay settings. By checking this box, your slides will circle back to the beginning after reaching the last one, providing a seamless viewing experience without needing any manual intervention on your part. Now, with your settings established, it's time for the finishing flourish. Direct your gaze again to the play button, which you'll find nearby. With a confident click, your slides will begin their automatic journey through the content you've so carefully prepared. Each transition will happen like clockwork, and if looping, will continue this cycle seamlessly. You'll never have to worry about clicking through slides manually again, freeing you up to focus on other things or simply enjoy the uninterrupted flow of your presentation. So whether it's to educate or entertain, let your Google Slides do the work. By using the Auto Advance feature, you can elevate your presentations to a new level of professionalism and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy presenting!